in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Hunting braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from YasGrl. Now, this is one of two of their newer units that they're going to be releasing this month. I've already done a review over the first one, and I'll make sure to pop up a picture of the thumbnail for it right here. That unit is bomb, so make sure you check out that review. I have a feeling that this unit is going to be bomb as well, just based off of the curls alone. But I mean, from past experiences working with YasGrl, anytime curls are involved, the unit is bomb. Now, I don't know the exact name for this unit, but I will let you guys know that she's a 5x5 lace closure unit that looks to be about 10 to 12 inches in length, and she has kinky curly edges. Now, kinky curly edges are really trendy right now, and I know some people like it and I know some people don't like it. For me personally, somebody who has a 4B, 4C hair type, I like them because it comes the closest to mimicking my natural hairline, of course, when there's no edge control or anything like that on them. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front, 1 on each side, and then 1 in the very center. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that can be adjusted and or removed if you choose to do so. Something I noticed immediately when pulling this unit out of the bag is that the knots came pre-bleached. Although the unit did come pre-bleached, I did decide to go in and bleach the knots again, and I feel like it took it very, very well. Like, I just know this unit is about to give scalp. But okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm really excited to put this unit on for some reason, so I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna install her, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts regarding the unit.
I just wanna chill and twist a lot. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sent this to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hoopty for my bands, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I doubt until a nigga kept chillin' drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap cause I flip burgers at Burger King, would you be ashamed to tell your friends you're feeling me? In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? Now we can have a little drink, you know, a nightcap, and we can go do what you like. I know you like.
So let's go ahead and talk about this unit from YasGrl. Earlier in the video, I said that I thought this unit was going to be bomb just because of the curls, and I just want to say that I was 1000% correct. The curls on this unit are stunning as always and very easy to define. Off camera, before even installing the unit, I did go in and shampoo and condition the unit, and then I laid it flat to air dry. A lot of the times I'll get comments asking what other products did I use within my curly units, and 9 times out of 10, nothing. I'm just using shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm letting the unit lay flat to dry. If I do use any other product, it's typically shown in the video. Like today, up top I had some frizzies because of course, you know, trying to part curly hair, you're gonna get frizzies. So I just went in with some Nairobi foaming lotion, and then, well, I mean, if you watched the video, you saw I used that to help bring the definition to the curls up top back. Because it is curly hair, I'm trying my hardest to keep my hands out of the hair, but I mean, it's so soft and so bouncy to where I just want to like play in it all day. But I know the more I touch the hair, the frizzier and bigger it's gonna get. The density of this unit, I would say, is about 150 to 180%. She's not thin at all, but she's not like overly thick to where it would be just like too much hair, if you know what I mean. I don't really want to speak on tangling and shedding, seeing as how I'm intentionally not putting my hands, a comb, or a brush brush throughout the hair, so I don't really know if it's going to shed or not. I haven't gotten anything on my shirt, so that's always a good thing. And also when I washed the unit, I didn't really get any hairs coming out either. Now if I were to have any hairs fall out depending on the length of them, meaning if they were like shorter hairs, then I would understand that, because I did go in and kind of plug some of the hairs out along the hairline just because I felt like the hairline was very dense. Now depending on if you're the type of person to like leave your kinky curly edges natural or in their natural state, I mean, you might like it to where it's like very dense like that. You might want to pluck it like I did just to thin it out a little bit and make it look even more realistic. But then again, you might be the type to want to straighten those hairs and create baby hairs. For me, I don't really like to create baby hairs when it comes to kinky curly units, just because I feel like it kind of takes away from the authenticity look of it, if you know what I mean again. To me, the hairline mixed in with the actual hair of this unit, they look very realistic. Like if you are the type of person who wants to just take your unit straight out of the box and then throw her on, I mean, of course you're gonna have to like tint the lace and cut off the lace, but besides those two things, if you want a very easy unit, I would highly recommend this unit, especially if you are someone who has 4B, 4C hair type or a 4B, 4C hair type. Then yeah, like maybe even a 4A possibly. I don't know, I feel like this unit could easily give, is it her hair or is it not her hair? Also keep in mind that this is a 5x5 closure unit, so the lace is going from about here to here, so therefore the edges, or your edges, my edges, are currently out. But this unit is big head friendly. And how do I know that this unit is big head friendly? Because it's coming all the way to the perimeter of my head, or my edges. It's covering my edges pretty much. That's what I'm trying to say. I love closure units that are big head friendly like this, because then I don't necessarily have to worry about whether my edges are blending in or not. For units like this, I like to just take a little bit of hair and then tuck it under the unit and then tuck it behind my ear, and I feel like you can't necessarily clock me as much or as bad unless you're like right up on me. I'm not sure if you were paying attention earlier, but this unit is definitely giving scalp. When I was parting the unit, I was just like, oh, okay, yeah, this hair is definitely growing out of my scalp. Again, because it is a 5x5 closure unit, you can part it on the left, the right, the middle. You can create cute little designs if you want to. Just have a ball with it. The styling of this unit is everything to me as well. I mean, let's be real, I love me a good bob. I love me a good bob with a bang. And here currently, recently, I have been loving me a good curly bob. Like, give me all the bobs. If you can't tell, I'm really liking this unit. I've been sitting over here trying to figure out a con for her, and honestly, I can't think of any. Unfortunately, I don't know the price of this unit because, again, this is a newer released unit. But if I had to compare it to other YasGrl units, I would say that it's going to be very affordable. Make sure to check my description box, because by the time I release this video, all of the information needed for her will be down there. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Again, all of the information for this unit will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.